Hello my dudes, it is I, Eneg. JK, it's cybr.grl. First off, I'm sorry if I look really tired because I am really fracking tired right now. It's 4 a.m. in your old Texas and your old girl is really tired. How are you guys? I hope y'all have been doing well. I hope you guys have been eating your fruits and veggies. If not, I will personally come to your house and feed you a carrot because I care about you guys. I'll give you all the carrots that you want. As for me, I've been doing pretty good. Edgar and we saw the Joker movie on Monday because everybody kept saying that the Joker movie slaps. Like, everybody was saying that it's better than, or no, the best thing since sliced bread, and literally giving it like 10/10, would recommend to all of my relatives, all of my friends, literally everybody in the world needs to see the Joker. And so we were like, okay, well, I mean, you know, you gotta listen to recommendations. So yeah, we went and I was kind of uncomfortable the whole time, but I mean, I think that was kind of the point of the movie. But what I did like was that he was a heckin' clown. And now, if you guys aren't aware, clowns are in. We stan clowns in this household. If you scroll on Instagram, you'll see like all these like beauty looks inspired by clowns, like hashtag clowncore, hashtag clown aesthetic, and that's kind of like the vibe of 2019. Everybody's looking like clowns, we're all acting like clowns. I'm a clown, you're a clown, we're all clowns. 2019, year of clowns. What was it last year? Like a bunch of clowns try to murder everybody? But yeah, now we're trying to be the clowns. So today I'm gonna be bringing out my inner clown. I'm gonna be doing attempting to do a rainbow clown look. And I have a source of inspo. Here, let me pull it up on my phone. Banana the Clown from my part of town. Oh snap, that rhyme. They did this really, really awesome, like very trippy rainbow clown look that I'll like pop up here somewhere. But I was really inspired by it, so I want to try and recreate this look. And yes, I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna cross our fingers and hope that we get a clown look. So at first I popped by my local CVS to buy some tape, but of course when you go into a store you never actually buy what you freaking need. You just end up buying 10 other things. And so I ended up buying this Wet n Wild white paint pot, and I think it's gonna work pretty good as a base. Hold on, I haven't actually opened this yet. I need to take the tape off. 1 second, let me actually open this first. I need some assistance. Please help, Sabrina. Oh, yay! Oh, we did it! Okay. So yes, first step, we are gonna go in with the Wet n Wild white paint pot. So I'm just gonna all over my face. So I went blah 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 all the way until my entire face looks like a white blood cell. But now I am gonna set with a translucent powder. So let me grab that because I'm always unprepared for everything. Now this is by Lunatick Cosmetic Labs. So I want to start with the easiest part first. Usually the easiest part is the lips, and so I'm going to use the Ink Dog Cosmetics A-List After Party lipstick on my lips. So next thing, we're gonna pull out our Morphe Rainbow Palette, and then I'm gonna use the red for my nosy. I feel like Rudolph and I'm living! Oh! Now for the tricky part. so as you saw from the picture earlier, it's like big chunk of face is gonna be rainbow drippy. So I'm gonna try my best to attempt that with the whole entire Morphe palette. And what I'm doing is I'm dipping the brush on both ends so I can get as much color as possible. Alright, so I ended up just painting my entire face rainbow, which is not what I originally had planned, but plans change. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to touch up and make the color pop more, so I'll be back in a sec. I went ahead and added more color on top of all the stuff that I put on my face just so like the color comes out a lot more and it's more blended together. So I was topping up the lipstick on my lips and then I slipped. And so I was like, you know, we're gonna go with it. And so I tried to create like a why so serious kind of thingy on the sides. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna put some triangles like right here. I'm gonna use my NYX blue eyeliner to create the triangle. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the blue part, and then I also I used the same exact NYX Vivid, but instead in orange, so that they're like contrasting colors. The next thing we're gonna do is we are going to decorify ourselves, and then we're gonna put some stickers on our face, like this part, so have like freckly stickers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some contacts, some lashes, and my wig. Okay, so I put on some lashes, contacts, earrings, wig, and hat. And I think we are complete. Now, it's not exactly what I had planned. So, you know, I showed you guys the photo that I was trying to recreate. But honestly, I'm kind of satisfied. I like how it all turned out. And when I was putting in my contacts, my eyes started watering. And I also started half crying at the same time. And like the tear created this line. And I really dig it. It adds a little something extra to the look. I feel like it really completes it with that teardrop, because we live in a society. If you guys would like to see more colorful J fashion content, please consider subscribing to my channel. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye!